Hello, let's discuss the version updates made on this visitor management system. Uh, Here are all the sheets which holds the data, our configuration, lookup values, and this is our schedule of charges. Here the listing of hosts, it's guest listing. Uh, Here are the vehicles. It is the ledger of transaction amount which is being deposited, and it is the history of the visit. And this is our template. Okay, we can change it according to our requirement. It is simple, like print layout in a card manner, as we can see here. So let's now explore. By clicking this button, we will launch this interface. Same as before, here is the host details. We can quickly search for any detail in this and then quickly select. If one doesn't exist, then we will click the manage button here, and then we will be able to make entry over here. If we want to add a new one, we will then reset this. We'll generate ID k for this. I will then enter the name, other information, and then hit the save, and it will be saved. As soon as we come back over here, then it will be filtered out, and we will be able to select this easily from here. Same for the guests. I click the manage here, I choose one, and we can quickly select from here, and we can also find and select from this way. Okay, now here's the vehicle. In the same way, we can create, update, delete records from here. Okay. So as soon as we reset, we are able to enter plate number, and for the existing one, it is not being replaced. It indicates the read-only fields. So as soon as I select this one, and it is shortlisted here. Now as a next step, I will apply a preset based on the given charges here, and the remaining fees will be calculated over here. And as soon as we enter like 5 guests, and it says that remaining balance is 0, so it is not negative, so we are able to issue the pass to them. For this is a summary. We will confirm and issue the pass to them, and that will be generated as PDF and will be saved. Okay, this is the pass, and we can see and print from here. Here we can see the ongoing visits which are not exited, and we will be able to select one and mark exit, and it will quickly update the time, and it will be vanished from here like this. And these are the current ongoing visits. I can filter them out, and mostly I would like to see which are ongoing visits, so that we can easily mark them out. So this is for issuance. Here we can see the deposit history, and same way we can select. Let's say I'm looking up for who has the transaction ID 1710. So I can find them using any of the values, whether transaction ID, transaction amount, deposit type, or person name, or the person ID. Here I can achieve the same visits history, and an additional feature that is used here, it is the import database. So I can quickly import bulk data for this, whether guests, vehicles, or hosts. So if it is not confirmed that how it would be, how the template will look like, we can download it from here. Okay, on active, not found on active sheet. Okay, so let me find table host. Okay, uh, table guess. Okay, I need to concatenate here. Okay, let me fix it. It is quick fix. So import operations and table name not found, and here we can do that. Table name should be table and table name. Now it should work perfectly. Okay, let's check. On import database, I would like to see the template, and it is saying that template is available here now. Okay, this is the template here. We can enter data here after closing this form. Okay, and then we will be able to import that. So okay, and after updating them, then we will come back here. I will choose whether it was the guest or host data, then browse that for that file, like for the guest. Okay, I will be able to see data if there is some data, and then we'll import data. If there is no data, then it will tell me that the missing key guest ID is here. It guest ID, it is a mandatory field, and it is telling me that we don't have a guest ID over here. So let's update one record from here. Okay, this is signed out. Guest status is employee. Sorry, that is service person, and guest IDs. It is service person, so we can enter like Alex. We can enter 7th Street Alex at gmail.com. So it should work now. Table gets. Okay, let's start importing now. We want to import the guest data. Browse for that file, and this is one. Okay, now we can see here the details, and then I will click. So it says that successfully added 1, error found 0. So let's go back and find if we can. So here we can see the Alex now. So this is what we had to implement through the import function. Hope it works for you. Sorry, there's another one, that is quickly sign in. So if they are signed in, I can click and quickly signed out, and we will see that is quickly signed out. Okay, this is button. This will toggle basically. If they are signed out, this will quickly sign in, and this, if signed in already, then it will sign out. That is like updating status in this column here, as we can see. Thank you very much. Bye.